This seems a perfect spot, so let's get the van levelled a wee bit. But I meant to say I'm actually carrying an injury on this trip. I was wanting to go in the water, but it might not be able to happen. Look at this. Whoa. So I've actually not showcased my chucks, but I got them for the North Coast 500. But they're working a treat. God, it doesn't half make it higher. This is a step up with a sore leg anyway. Wow. At least they're sturdy. I've been wanting to come to the Three Lochs for a while and it hasn't disappointed so far. I'm quite liking the wee park up that I've got as well. But I was doing gardening and there was a step basically that I tripped on and I fell back, and there's this big plant pot thing that was right behind it. So as I've slipped off the step, I've tried to grab back, but then I've flung my leg up to try and counter the balance, and it's just effectively, if this was the barrel, this is my leg, it just went, and instantly the part that I hit just went chalk white and the pain was just unreal. I couldn't walk on it and it just ballooned up, so I'll need to keep an eye on it. Remember the hands-free backpack I got for Blue Betty up here? Check this out. Look how nice that fits in there. It's just charging the drone batteries just now. Beside it, we've got the Blue Betty AC180P there, and then we've got the Blue Betty hands-free there. So between both of them, that's 300 watts worth of power, and that's 1,440. But it doesn't end there. Wait till you see this. We've got the LivePo 4 battery there as well, giving us another 1,280 watt hours. I know, it's ridiculous. At the end of the day, I'm going to be editing and working and stuff, so it's nice not to worry about power. So let's get down to the shore and show you that beautiful view. So trust me, when I left this morning, I washed the car. This is just how much dust has been picked up for that road. Oh, look at that, we've got a wee fire pit. And a nice wee bit to sit. Let's hope it's not too muggy. It shouldn't be because it's been hot for the past couple of days, hasn't it? It's just something else, isn't it? I don't know if you can see the midges there. But I'm not worried about them ruining the fun because I've got this. I bought this for the North Coast 500. There you are. Come at me, bro. Oh, that's lovely. Right, it's really warm in here. It says that the gate's shut at 4 o'clock. It takes roughly about 30 minutes to drive round it for 7 miles at 10 mile an hour. I think when you go up here and go round, that's literally the end of it. So where we're at is the tail end of where the trail finishes. So I would say from 5 o'clock maybe, there shouldn't be any more cars, which I quite like, because then if you come here camping, if you come here tenting, you know that after a certain time you're just going to get left alone. I've literally just finished doing the van tour video, so I'm just transferring all the footage onto a hard drive. I can't believe it's took me 2 years to bring that video out, because you think I would bring it out after I'd done the build series, but I just never get round to it. And as beautiful as the day is, it's starting to get a wee bit chilly. And I'm starving as well. I think I'm going to get some grub on. Initially I was wanting to stop at Aldi or Lidl and get sushi, but I never passed an Aldi or a Lidl, so that never happened. But I did pass a local newsagent's, and would you believe it, they had hot dogs and buns. So I thought, you know what, let's have hot dogs with buns tonight. So I'm going to leave this down where it's down, and I think I'm going to go down and see a bit of that water and see how calm it is. How gorgeous is that? I'm going to eat half these hot dogs. That'll be plenty. It's just so nice having a wee fire, making some hot dogs in the woods. Does it get any better than that? Come down with it a plate. I'd say these are ready. And you get some. I've not eaten to eat since this morning. I always think it's funny coming to places like this. You just sleep here in a van or in a tent and then go to sleep in the middle of nowhere. That's some amount of trust you're putting on the world that nothing happens to you. And then you see somebody walking up behind me and cut my head off. I looked. Why did I do it? Come back down and douse that again with some water. The cold's definitely picking up. Look at the individual nests in the tree. How clear the sky is. I'm going to build up the hatches. I actually brought something else with me. Do you know what? I'm not going to keep you in suspense. It's the MetaQuest 3. So I brought this just to see if we're able to do this in the van. Right, let's go. I'm going to put the straps on. Not that I'm scared that they're going to go flying, but I'm scared that they're going to go flying. So you should be seeing what I'm seeing. Oh, this is crazy. I feel I'm too low. Still smashing it though. Oh shit, I'm so scared. I hitting anything. Oh, it's too high. That's too high. Oh. I'm going to start again, man. This game is dynamite. Let's fix my height. My guns are in my face. Because in Ready or Not, They're always hiding behind rooms and stuff. Well, that door's no accessible. Sorry guys, this one's shut. Oh!
Please don't shoot! Don't move!
Go on your knees. Yeah, I need to get rid of it. Oh, there's someone on the stairs. Hey, don't you move.
Please don't shoot!
Right, do you know what? You're getting... Ah! Come here. Right, you're done. Oh, shot! Oh, we've got a twitcher here. Is that him? Oh, hey.
Stay where you are!
Oh, he's disappeared. He's away to the afterlife. Right, where's my gun? Do you know what? Let's take the taser. Let's do the taser. Oh, what door do we go? Do we go to the end and then sweep? Oh, well, you're a dead giveaway.
On your knees! Now!
Can I just take the gun off him? Oh, I think I used my daze. Shit. Did I use it?
Show me your hand!
Hey! You just folded, pal. Down. Hey! We're going to pay for that. Get that washed out.
I swear I'm innocent.
Is there anybody in here? Is there anybody in here? Were you just in the wrong place at the wrong time, buddy? You look a bit gangy. Put these on. Come here. There we go. Good boy. Oh, I forgot about you. You're alright. I think that's everybody.
All suspects have been detained or neutralized.
Completion! I've played this one in the house, so this is quite funny. Step right up,
I'm
Hen.
sure you've got a busy night, but
Not as busy as your eyebrows. What is that? What? Give me that. You're not allowed to come in with any food. But apart from that, you're alright. You can get in.
Getting in.
There you go, Hen.
Already having a blast.
You look like you're having a good night. No tattoos, check. No knives and no jumpers. You're definitely not wearing a jumper. I need to check you for knives. Oh, I'm hitting. Oh, I can't get low. Try this.
Neat tool. Just don't scan anything you'll regret seeing.
Ah, you're good to go. Let's go.
Oh yeah. You've
On the
made me
nose.
very happy.
I don't like the flies that are hovering around you, buddy. What have you got in there? Broccoli? Who brings broccoli to a night out? Look at the character
My
creation.
night will be complete if I get to experience what's behind these ropes. That's refreshing.
Is it? Here, take me off.
Others inside
Is that a
and
knuckle
sharing
duster
their
you've got?
enjoyment.
What is the size of them? What is that?
Oh, you need that?
I don't
sure,
need it.
go ahead.
What is this?
What did I do to deserve this?
He's got a ball gag in his mouth. Hey,
I'm gonna mess you up, bro.
hey, bolt. Take that away, you.
You dimwit, what is wrong with you? Your judgment is laughably
Come
poor.
on your way.
Open up and let me through already.
Who are you, Post Malone? How drunk are you? Let's check. You're just on the limit, so I think for that we need to shave
See, great.
that hair
As
off.
if I asked.
There you go. Right. Oh, sorry, you've still got that in your gob.
You better appreciate that, idiot.
For being a good sport, you can get in.
Hope you know what. Finally, you came to your senses.
Oh my god. Oh. We can VR in the van. And I only hurt myself a couple of times. So guys, if you did go and enjoy the video, why not drop it a wee like and let me know in the comments. Let me know what your favourite part was. And if you haven't already, why not get subscribed and hit that bell notification so you're always notified when I drop a new video. So until the next one guys, peace.